Hey everybody, I'm going to be making a YouTube video about me and my bird, but I just put my bird back in my room, and I don't know why. I did one, but Juwan told my crush on camera, so I had to delete it. So, I'm going to go get my bird, and then we're going to make a video. So, okay, so I got my bird, now I'm going to get it. It's right here, and it has a little swing in there so it can swing on, and I don't think you can see the swing that clear, but it's really cool, and there's even this opening thing. Well, there's even a lock right there on the side that you have to, let's see, okay, you can't see that, I'll move over here. You have to, where is it? Right here. No, not here. Right here. Right there. Where is it? Right there. That you twist open. It's going to start falling out. You twist it open, and then it opens. You can see it up now. So now that it's open, now that it's open, you can see the swing. Here's the swing. I don't know why, but it's like broken. It's crooked. Oh, there's this thing up here that, I remember this now. There's this thing up here that can get crooked because it's just a little hook. Okay. Let me take this out. Okay, so here's the bird, and to turn it on, well, it's off right now, and if it's off, then it's in the middle, you see, and to turn it on, you turn it to your guys is left, but my right. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, no, I think I'm wrong. Does the camera... Okay, let's just forget about that. You turn it to that side, and then it will, when you press that button, you gotta talk while you're pressing it, and then you let go, and then it will copy what you say. And if you put it to the other side, which is this side, that makes it copy you twice. So you'll say it while you press it, just like the other one, but it'll copy you twice, so it's even cooler. And when it talks, its beak moves too, and that's really cool. So I'm gonna do it once you can hear. I'm gonna do it on both sides, so I'm gonna start with this one. Everyone's awesome. Everyone's awesome. It didn't stop, but it didn't do it. Maybe it's gonna do it soon. Well, everybody's awesome. Everybody's awesome. Okay, now I'm going to try the other one more time. Everybody's awesome. Blah, blah, blah. Everybody's awesome. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to keep it here until it does it. I'm going to show you the cage. Well, I'm going to show you the bird too. So the wings look really cool, like this diamondy stuff, and then of course that, and it's blue, and then the beak's blue too, and then the eyes are really cool. They're like tiny. Okay, you need to stop tweeting, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna turn you off. Okay, so it didn't do it the second time, but this is really cool and I love it, and it's really neat. But what would make it cooler is if it could fly. The wings move, but if you move them too much, they'll break off and set. Okay, so yeah, it was just my brother asking me something. So there's the bird. Oh, body to the bird. And here's the swing that's in it. And what the cool part is that you see those four 4 little pouches. You put its feet in there. And you're like, wait, why does it have 4 pouches? Well, it's because you put... The whole reason why the back of these are so big, look at that, is because these parts, the back of these, go inside of these little parts. I'll show you. And they can go in either one. So it looks like the bird's sitting. Doesn't look cute? And then the back of the cage, it is not the same kind like this. It's not plastic white. It's glass. Well, it's supposed to be glass in the bird's life, but really it's fake glass. It's plastics too, but it's supposed to be glass. They want to put glass in a kid's toy. That could cut them. And then you can see the sign that says Little Live Pets, Little Live Pets, Little Live Pets. There. Bye.